Guys, subscribe to my channel hashtags with WeChill and click on the bell icon to get notified regarding the latest videos. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is a super short video in which we'll be making an origami butterfly model. So without further delay, let's get started. So guys, this is how the butterfly model looks like. It is super duper easy. So let's keep this aside and let's quickly grab a paper. For this, you'll need a square piece of paper. Pick any size, any color as you wish. Now, first you need to fold along the diagonal axis from edge to edge like this. Then you need to fold it on the opposite side as well, on the opposite edge like this. Match the corners properly and then press it. Now undo it, you will get an X formed. Now turn your page and then fold along the horizontal axis from edge to edge like this. Now you will get these shapes formed. You just need to press it to form a triangle like this. Just press along the horizontal axis and it folds along the diagonals. So you get this triangle. Now from this point, from this corner, you just need to fold it slightly, keeping slight distance over here. Make a fold. And similarly you do one fold on this side, aligning it properly like this. Try to make it as symmetric as possible. This is how it looks. Now you turn your page and then there is this triangle you need to fold like this. Try to fold it and pull it over here. So if you pull it, it will look like this, slightly like this if you see, and then you need to press this like this and then fold it like this and then give proper shape. And that's it. Super easy, super cute. Our origami butterfly models. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get notified regarding the latest updates. This is Vishal. Thank you so much and I hope to see you all back in my next video. Take care guys.